In this video, I'm going to show you how I colored my hair this Arctic Fox Sunset Orange. My hair was black previously, and I think this is the result of 2 bleachings of my hair. And this isn't the final color that I want, I just wanted to try this one kind of for fun. As you can see in the next clips, my hair is orange in some spots, it's yellow, bright yellow at the roots, and on the ends, some parts they're a little dark red. Like I said before, this isn't the final color that I want. I'm going to be going for a really dark red, but this was just for fun. This is just the process of me doing it and seeing how it would turn out on my hair without it being toned or it being a platinum color. After the color was applied to my whole head, I kind of just threw it up in a bun and left it for about 3 to 4 hours. After I rinsed it, you can kind of see here that my roots were very, very vibrant, bright orange, and the ends were a darker, more copper color, which is to be expected since my hair wasn't all even. But the color actually did take to the ends, and it's a pretty uniform orange color besides the roots.